Hello and welcome back to another episode of Jeffy and Chihuahua. Today's video is going to be a super easy tutorial on how to make dangly earrings out of puffy stickers. I chose to go with these cute little Christmas themed dogs. I had these stickers left over from a project last year. I got them at Hobby Lobby and there's a chance that they have them there again this year because I have seen some seasonal items repeat at Hobby Lobby. The next ingredient you're going to need is some UV resin. I got this on Amazon and I will leave the link to it in the description below. You're also going to need some teeny little metal pieces with a circle at the top. I forget the exact name, but you can find these in any jewelry section. To begin assembling our earrings, we're going to just use one little dot of that UV resin to secure our metal piece in place, and then I'm going to hit that with the UV light for about 30 seconds just so it can get a nice cure. The next step is made significantly easier with the use of some needle nose pliers. I just use those to grab the tip of that little metal circle we just attached, and I hold on to that with one hand and use the other one to apply a relatively thin layer of the UV resin. Then of course I hit it with that black light for about 30 seconds so that it gets a very good cure. Once it's completely cured, I want to add a layer of color, and for this I use a UV nail polish. This one's actually a little bit pricier, so I probably shouldn't be using it on crafts. Literally any nail polish will do. This one is incredibly pretty though. It's beautiful brown with some nice sparkles. It really complements the Christmas theme well, so I guess it's nail polish well worth the waste. I just add a thin layer to my project and hit that with the UV light again. At this point, you might start to see a few wrinkles, and that's okay because we are going to add one final layer of resin, and that final layer is going to be a nice thick layer. And because of how thick we're laying it on, it's going to have a nice flat gloss to it. So you can still see a little bit of the rivets in the middle of the project, but it's from behind, which, let's be honest, really nobody's looking at the back of an earring. To fully assemble the earrings, you're going to need 2 earring hooks and 4 little circles per earring. To assemble, I start at the top by connecting one of those little jump rings with the earring hook, and then I add a second jump ring to the same exact earring hook. So you got 2 jump rings sitting right next to each other. Then I take the third jump ring and I attach it to the 2 that we just added. And while I'm attaching it to those 2, I'm also hanging our little pendant on it. And then I'm going to take that final jump ring and I'm going to put it through the same exact spots that I just put the last one through. So you're going to end up with a earring base, 2 jump rings, 2 jump rings, and then your pendant on the bottom. You could just use 1 jump ring for each of those spots, but I prefer to use both because it just makes the earring so much stronger. And there you have it, some beautiful Christmas themed earrings. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and get a chance to make some of these on your own. If you like this video, please do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more fun videos just like this one. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.